Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing what am I reading? So for this time I decided to participate in Dee Dee from Brown Girls Reading. She is doing a read along, and the book she selected is Sag Harbor by Colson Whitehead. And I only read Underground Railroad from him, so I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this one because Underground Railroad was kind of okay for me. But this one also let me know that he is a writer. He knows how to write and tell a story. So in this one, we have a situation where it is Boys Will Be Boys, 1985 summer in Sag Harbor, which is a part of the Hamptons. And so it's pretty much a tale of a young boy's summer. And in this book, what I do so far like is it's the character is very interesting, and there's a lot of sarcastic comments and things that happen that you're kind of like, oh, thank God my summer was nothing like this. It is not bad in terms of it's not a good book. It's bad in terms of like the shenanigans that these boys get into, where I'm like, so, but all I know is I'm enjoying it. She does have each week where she put amount of pages that to read and to participate in the her Goodreads page that she created for this. But I'm gonna leave her video, and the video will give you details. It's not too late. It's only been 1 week, and if you want to join in this read along, so yeah. Now the next thing I want to do is there is this Smuffalon. I think I put it somewhere here, but it is a romance novel read-along, readathon. And this one I thought, oh yes, because I haven't done one and I've never seen one to even try to participate in, so I was all for it. And I was looking to see, they had like some challenges on here of books that would to fall into this category. So where you have enemies to lovers, friends to lovers, second chance, fake dating, arranged marriage, stranded together, or love triangle. And the books I selected, I think they fall into some of this, I'm not sure, but I want to read the kiss quotient, and this might fall into maybe the fake dating because there is a character that was hired, and that's all I know. So I'm not sure if it really is fall into that category, but I think it does based on a little bit of synopsis on the back of it. Yeah, so yeah, the next one is Birthday Girl by Penelope Douglas, and I thought this one might be another one that falls in the love triangle, because it is a very interesting case of how that romance started, and I've only read about 2 or 3 chapters, so I do think that might fall into that. And a lot of these books that I do want to read that may fall into the category, they will come out towards the end, which is after the readathon is done, because the readathon is from the 9th of July to the 15th. So you have books like the Colleen Hoover new book that probably would have fit in. They have the Whitney G book, so those would have been in that category, but again, they don't come out to the end. But it also makes me want to read up as much as I can, because a lot of books that I love don't come out to the end. And also my most anticipated book, which is How to Love a Jamaican, which is a collection of short story that deals with love situation, whether it's a relationship or whether it's family or something like that. I have not read it yet, but I can't wait to get my hands on that book. It's the book I've been looking for all year, and that is going to be coming out, I think, the 24th of July. But we'll see how that works itself out, because one of those, and I'm juggling it because summer is that month, that time where I want to read a lot, but I also want to like have fun and party and do the concert, the festival, and all that. So I want books that are light, books that are easy to read, where it's not going to be so dragged out, complicated, because I don't have time to be taking forever to read one book. I want those fast-paced books, those books that are going to grab my attention from the get-go, and I'm going to want to finish it. So that's how I feel about summer reading for me. Summer reading is not about serious literature. I don't want to read anything that's too serious or too complicated, or too much of my time is going to be spent on one book, you know. So you know, let me know how you feel about summer reading. Are you that kind of person that you don't care, or you kind of gravitate to certain kind of books in the summertime? So you know, that would be a nice thing to talk about. Also, what kind of books that put you in a summer mood? What kind of books that you read that is like, when you think about it, it just reminds you of summer and nature, you know, like all this in the background. I want to be outside and really, you know, enjoy reading and have that light literature and that thing that's going to make me smile or laugh. And I would say there's some moments in this that are funny, where I'm like, the author is very sarcastic, and this does remind me of summer. You know, there are some parts about it that are not, you know, summery, but I so far it's a kid summer. You know, but I am ahead in this. I am on really the last week, and that's because, again, I didn't want to spend too much time on one book when I know there's so many books that I want to get into. So yeah, that's where this goes. But other than that, guys, that is it. I am enjoying nature. So how is your summer going? And if you were a part of that heat wave a few days ago, how was that? So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.